In this video, I'm going to show you the two best trading view buy sell signals indicator which are going to amaze you because these signals are highly accurate, and much of my community that is followed by the FX Mentor US, they have taken the advantage of these two indicators. And the best indicator is the bank selling order and the bank buying order. And first of all, we are going to review this indicator. As you can see, we have the two type of levels, buying and the selling levels, and also we have the most important part that never repaints is the dotted green and the dotted red line. Okay, so it's very simple. When any candle closes above the dotted red line, it's a buy signal for us. We are not supposed to take any kind of sell position from here. And when any candle closes below the dotted green line which never repaints, then we are supposed to take the only sell positions, not the buy positions. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the performance of this indicator on the multiple pairs. So first of all, let's get started from Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, so this is the 5-minute chart. What you have seen from the bank selling order, we have the dotted red line as well. That is as the second confirmation for us, and you can see the market comes into the bank selling order and it has received the rejection, and you can see price is already down. Okay, let's have a look on gold. If you look on the gold 5-minute picture, we have the bank selling order plus the red dotted line, and you can see the market was unable to close above it, and it has the reversal from here. And if you look at this scenario, what happens here, if you look at this green candle that closes above the dotted red line, what happened next? Price moved to the next level. So this is the solid part, and this indicator will save you from the moves that actually happen due to the market movers. Okay, so for example, many of the subscribers and might be traders, they are more interested in buying at this level, but what happens actually, the market was able to close below, and as per our indicator, this is the wrong trade, and we are going to remove that one because the candle closes below the dotted green line and we have seen the rejection. It was a clear sell signal for us. So similarly, if I open any type of chart, and you will see this indicator is amazingly performing, and it has almost no bugs, no problems, and this indicator is doing wonders in our community. And even the beginners who do not have any information about the market, they were also able to trade this indicator. Okay, and right now you can see this is the NZD-JPY 5-minute chart. You can see we have the bank buying level, but we do not have any dotted line, but still you can see the price moved into the upward direction. Okay, so this indicator is based on the powerful price action, not the ordinary price action, and this indicator has a high success rate. You can see this candle closes above, it was a buy signal for us. You can see the next move, it clearly went up. Okay, so this indicator also works in crypto. If you look at here, it has provided you a very big move on the Bitcoin 5-minute. This candle closes above the dotted red line, and it was the buy signal for us. Okay, now whatever you trade, even you trade NAS 100, crypto, forex, stocks, whatever, you will see this indicator will be doing wonders, and you can get the lifetime access of this indicator by contacting on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. Okay, now I'm going to attach the second best indicator that we have developed, is called the quick hull scalper. Okay, I'm going to attach our this is also one of the paid indicators, so let it attach, and you see basically it plots the green and red arrows. Okay, so we have developed this indicator for the free indicator that is called Hull Suit. If you attach the Hull Suit indicator, then you will see that this strategy is working very well with the Hull Suit. Okay, so going to the settings, the only settings that we need to do is to change the length multiplier from 1 to 3 so that it should look more profitable. And now you see the setup is completely ready. Whenever the Hull Suit is red and you have a sell signal that never reprints, and this sell signal appears on the current candle, and you can see that was a series of sell chances. Here it was a sell chance, but we will not take that chance because the price is above the Hull move average. Okay, we will only be supposed to take the chances when the Hull Suit is red and the price is below the Hull Suit. When the price is above the Hull Suit, you can see it has provided us with the buying opportunities. And now I'm going to show you on the other pairs. So let's start from Pound USD. So the best way is to find the signals which are near to the Hull MA, not very far. Like for example, this signal is very far from the Hull MA, so ignore such type of signals. which are closed you can take one. This is the close signal, sell, and you can see good buying as well. Okay, let's have a look on gold. On gold, it has provided you a bullish opportunity, selling opportunity, and this was the wrong sell. So again, little bit far from the HUL MA. Okay, so okay, look at this signal, this USD CAD 5-minute, great selling chance, and again great selling chance. So this is how this indicator works. You can see good buying chances, good selling chances. So guys, these are the most powerful indicators that we have developed for our community. I'm going to show almost on my complete watch list so that you can trade them. So better trade those pairs which are volatile so that you can get the best advantage of using this indicator. Even you can see on NAS 100 this indicator is also doing wonders. And if you are a bank nifty trader, still you are able to trade this indicator because this indicator is very good. It works on everything that is spotted on TradingView. So guys, again I repeat that those subscribers who are willing to book the lifetime version of this indicator, they can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. They can also send their emails on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.